As MASB is offering more and more virtual opportunities, we wanted to share some tips to help you with navigating and optimizing your next MASB event. We are using the Zoom platform for its comfort and ease for both board member certification classes and other presentations like the Summer Institute. The registration process remains the same, but there are a few steps to take and things to watch your email inbox for the week of your class or event. If you haven't already done so, we recommend visiting the Zoom website in advance to download the program software on your desktop or your device's app store to add the app and set up your account prior to your event day. That way, you can simply click the link that will be sent via email to access the live presentation. Once you have the program downloaded and your account created, you can start a meeting on your own to review the features. For the best experience, we suggest having your video on, but your microphone muted when joining the Zoom meeting. You can adjust these settings as you're joining a meeting, as well as by using the two buttons on the bottom left of the screen. It is proper etiquette to turn off your video if you need to step away, as well as stay muted when someone is presenting to eliminate background noise. If you want to add a virtual background like your district logo or something more generic than where you are sitting, you can do that here next to the video button. If you are having trouble with sound, check the audio settings that are found right by the mute button. Make sure you are connected to your preferred sources for your microphone and speaker, and raise your levels high enough to hear and be heard. We recommend checking your display name to ensure it is representative of who you are. You can change it by opening the participants window, find your name, click Rename, and change the display to list your full name and your district. If you would like to communicate to the group or to individuals without interrupting a speaker, you can use the chat box. Presenters may also ask you to respond to a question they pose using this feature. You can find it here and can either type a message to the entire group or privately to an individual. Throughout a presentation, you may be asked to respond to a discussion topic using the reaction buttons. You can find these inside the participants window. This is where you would raise your hand, reply yes or no, and more. A few days before your class or event, a Know Before You Go email will be sent to the address we have on file, with the specific Zoom URL link that you will need to click on the day and start time of your class, as well as access to any handouts that may be available. If you have any questions prior to your MASB virtual event, please contact us at programs@masb.org or 517-327-5900. We look forward to seeing you online.